Hey everyone, back again after my horrible cold. Sorry for missing a video last week. This week I've got a nice piece of yew here. As you can see, it's mounted on the lathe with a faceplate on this side, and there's a bit of a crack running down the middle, but I don't think it's very deep, so I'm hoping that that can be the inside part. Now it's ever so thin, it's only 2 inches thick, so this is going to be a bit of a platter. Wow, look at the grain in that. Apologies if you hear any banging going on. It's somebody in my garden playing basketball, as they do. I've got a crack going right through there and a bit in there. I'm going to just super glue it and hope that it holds. Oh, this is such a beautiful wood, isn't it? Here's an interesting trick. Little did I know that baking soda actually activates super glue like a kicker, but instead of the normal way it does it, you actually end up with a substance there instead, which obviously gives a little bit of structure. So I'm going to try it. Because if it's sandable, that could be a very useful kind of pseudo filler. Let's have a look. Absolutely essential to wear a respirator when you're cutting this stuff, by the way. Don't risk it. A bit more glue needed, I think, on the top. I'm sure that crack's crept. It's a neat trick if it works. Okay, I think we've got that one all right. Pretty grain, isn't it? Yew is a spectacular species. Takes a long time to grow. But is a fir family, so it's kind of unusual in that its cousins are all softwoods except for it. I think there's some other coniferous hardwoods as well, but pretty. Trying to figure out how deep we are. It's not that easy on something so wide. I'm going to have to improvise. God, it's so deceptive, especially when it's a big thing. We can go down a bit more, but not much more. Let's try it. Still a bit of cracking going on. It's kind of annoying because I bought this. I very rarely buy blanks. I normally make my own blanks, but I thought I would. I'm not going to shame the company that provided me with it because normally they're pretty good, but I probably should have just sent this one back or got money off it or something. But I didn't think the crack was going to go all the way through, and it does seem to be. So I'm hoping this isn't going to fly apart. It looks like I've been using all sorts of dodgy things in here, doesn't it? Feels solid enough. Alright, I need to clean up this side now. Right, I'm going to do a whole bunch of sanding and I'll bring you back when it's time to put some finish on. Okay, so I've sanded this down. I had a crack appear in the side. Really weird, went back, literally went bang. Obviously a bit of tension in the wood. So I'm going to use cellulose sealer on this just to try and hold it together a bit better. And we'll see what it looks like. Grain is wonderful. Please excuse the noise outside. The kids are playing and can't really ask them not to. So right, take a look at that. Isn't that pretty? Nature is an amazing thing, isn't it? Right, we have the nerve-wracking time of taking the tenon off now. Okay, so I've got this mounted backwards on my sanding disc without the sanding disc on it. This Velcro is pretty non-slip, it's not bad. It's pretty true, so let's see how we go. Okay, it wasn't brilliant, but it's okay. Thank you for watching, everybody. It's been a lovely thing to turn. Yew was much easier than I thought it was going to be. I've never done it before. So there we go, nice platter. I'll show you the underneath in a second. When it came off the lathe, I managed to put a big scratch across the back, but I've taken it out, so it still looks pretty nice to me. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe, and I'll see you next week.